Top 5 Best Table Saw. Table saw cut with more accuracy than circular saw, and they can cut large pieces of metal, whether wood, plastic, aluminum sheeting or other. So we've pulled together a list of best table saw available on the market. Number 1. DeWalt DWE7491RS 10 inches Jobsite Table Saw. Your purchase includes one DeWalt table saw, 10 inches 24-tooth carbide blade, rolling stand, push stick, meter gauge, rib fence, 2x blade wrench, blade and guard assembly manual. A rolling stand designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability. Rack and pinion telescope fence system makes fence adjustment fast, smooth and accurate. Features a 15-amp high-torque motor with the power to cut pressure-treated lumber and hardwood. Number 2. Bosch Worksite Table Saw. Innovative gravity-rise collapsible table saw stand allows you to adjust height to meet your specific needs, while the 8 inches treated pneumatic wheels provide mobility from job site to job site. Featuring square lock rib fence engineered to increase cutting trueness and allowing for one-handed operation for you glide along the rail, as well as riving knife and anti-kickback poles for protection when a kickback occurs. Bosch Worksite Table Saw provides high precaution cutting as well as efficient power with 3650 no-load RPM motor. It also features a large cutting table, surface area and ripping capacity, handling stock up to 25 inches wide, designed for durability and longevity. Feel confident in your purchase, which is backed by Bosch with 1-year guarantee with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 3. DWE7485 Jobsite Table Saw. Compact size for easy transportation and storage. Easy adjustment, rack and pinion telescope fence rails makes fence adjustment fast, smooth and accurate. 24.5 inches of rip capacity for ripping, 4x8 plywood and OSB sheet power, 15 amp 5800 RMP motor. Onboard storage provides easy access to the slit pro guarding. Metal roll cage ensures job site durability. Number 4. Skil Table Saw. 20-inch into 26-inch cast aluminum table extended to 20-inch into 32-inch for longer work pieces. 3 and 1.5-inch cut height capacity for cutting through 4x materials. Heavy-duty steel stand for fast setup and easy transport. Bevel angle range 0 degree to 47 degree. Self-aligning rib fences for accurate measurement. Number 5. Rojo Table Saw. Fits larger saw. DeWalt DWE7490, Bosch 4100, Bosch GTS 141A, Makita 4705, Rigid R4513. Saw stop JSS. Increases rib capacity to 27 inches. Includes T-style locking fencing for accuracy. Self-adhesive tape measure for accuracy. Micro adjust assembly for quick and accurate saw positioning. Optional accessories includes Model 2720 outlead table, Model 2790 EXT extension table, Model 2790 RXT router extension table. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.